Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about inserting, resizing, and even formatting a table up inside of our Microsoft Word 2016 program. The main reason people like to use tables inside of their Microsoft Word program allows them to visually group the information, making it easier for the reader to find what it is they're looking for. The use of tables also allows us to break up the default formatting of our Microsoft document, which is just black text on a white background. So to begin this process of inserting a table, we're going to use the Insert tab. And from here, we're going to scroll on down till we come to the Table command. And from here, you can use your mouse to select as many columns and or rows as you need for your table. For this demonstration, we'll choose 4 columns and we'll add in 4 rows. So once you have your table in place, you can just put your mouse wherever you want the typing to begin, and you can start typing, and you can just use your tab key to jump to the next row. Now to move up or down, I can just use my arrow keys on my keyboard. For instance, if I want to move down to the next row, I'll just use my down arrow. Now the cool thing about this is, now that I'm in the last cell of the last row of the last column, if I hit the tab key one time, I create a whole new row and column. You're also free to use your mouse and place the cursor into each individual cell and then begin typing. Now to resize the table, we just go over here to the lower right corner, click on your table, and you have this little square. Here you can push it in, pull it out, make it larger, make it smaller, whatever you prefer to do. So we can resize our table by going over here to the lower right corner, but up here at the top and over to the upper left, here you can move your table while it retains its current size and shape. Now to do further formatting of your table, just click on your table. That brings up the formatting options. For instance, your table types. You can click through here and you can see the different options without actually changing anything. Pull down the window, you have more options. If you like to work with fill, for instance, you would like to have this top row a different color, you can pull down the shading, and here you can shade the cells to any color you choose. Now further over to the right, you have border styles. You can pull this down and you can change the color of your borders. For instance, I would like to change it to orange. And then I can go over here and I can say apply to all borders, like so. You can change the thickness, you can make it less, you can make it more, whatever you prefer. Again, I'll pull this down and I'll check and I'll say all borders. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about inserting and resizing a table up inside of our Microsoft Word 2016 program. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.